think the 3 tacos and then the 2 tacos is better than the 2 tacos.
Yeah.
We can do 3 tacos and we can do 2 tacos because I already know how many I'm gonna have. I already know I don't even have to even guess. So it's just fine with me. Plus, gonna have French fries to go with it too, so that's good enough amount. We're gonna be trying to get ready to vacuum. Just when you don't think that Joe's gonna come over, that's when Joe probably come over tomorrow. I don't think you're worried about it.
No, I don't think you're worried about it either.
I really need to do it though because whenever I open up the door with the keys and I get stuck.
Oh God.
Because of the thing what he was supposed to be doing there a long time ago too. They getting paid all that much extra money.
Yeah.
They should really be able to do extra stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of saying, oh, you know what? I think we're gonna have to charge you for that.
And all of a sudden, they send a letter of what is they sent. Like where did she come from and how did she well, all that information up? We have to pay that much.
No letter. She did that on email. Nobody sent no letter. Nobody didn't send not one letter.
See, they give you the options whether or not they can see your email or paper in the mail.
You lazy email, me regular mail. I ain't got him no email. Yes. Now, simple as that. So, you need 2 measures. This one. And the seasoning salt is this. The seasoning salt. And Bobby Flay says seasoned side down. Yeah, so that's why we do that. So I'm probably gonna have to get a since it's wet. Roll out 16.
Okay, yeah.
2, 4, 6. 7, 4.
Yeah.
Trying to get
Now, what do you put on your hand when you stick it on your hand?
Water.
You just,
What is this not good?
Oh, well.
Water.
I tried oil. Oil is too messy.
Oil is coughing of you.
Yeah, the oil is too messy.
I use water. Roll it on out. Yes. 1, 2. Doing it all together is grease. There it is. Double meat, double cheese. Then, after that, you have, because I'm going to go ahead and do my 2 out. And whatever's left is whatever's left.
Okay.
It might be enough for the 3, but then you have to open them in another package. But I think 2's alright. Double meat. And just put the meat on the side.
So we'll make 16? 2 double meats.
2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 of them? It only made 9? Out of both packages. No.
Usually it's 12.
Make it like small. Yeah, make it smaller.
You can't make it smaller because it'll shrink up.
I can.
Nah, you cannot. Nah. Eh. I don't want itty bitty titties.
Okay, well.
So it only makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Usually it makes 12. So.
Well, you gonna eat 2 or you gonna eat 3?
I mean 2.
Okay, and then the rest of us can eat 3.
2 and then there's 3 of them.
Okay.
You would get 3 and I get 2.
Okay.
So, but I don't want to open up another package of bread because you only get 8.
Oh
2,
yeah.
4, 6, 8. That's why. Yeah. So I need paper towel. That paper towel is when you use paper towel, not to wipe your dry your hands.
You usually just have it on there on here, but
people are using it to dry their hands with. Nope, I use it to dry this hands. And what you don't do with the pan, you don't get the oil and put it in there. That's what you're supposed to do when you get a brand new pan. You're supposed to put oil in it. You don't.
No, I don't season it. I think that's what they said. It said I watch videos and it says it's
put oil down. You don't put oil down. You just use a dry pan. You don't. That's why you don't use. That's why you don't use mine.
Well, you got a new pan. You gonna use it?
Yep. Just like that. And it's not because of the cabinet. Because when they first did it, they had to seal up really tight for them to deliver it.
Yeah.
So you don't do that. You don't put it on medium. All the way up to the top, unless you put some from the other one.
Nope.
Well, the manufacturer puts it all the way to the top. And number 2, or you can use that electric skillet for the French fries.
Okay, yeah, I could do that then.
Oh yeah, that's the idea. I don't even know where it is.
Right at the bottom shelf.
No, it ain't.
Oh.
Nope, I don't know where it is. Look over there. Look over there.
Hold on.
It's the only thing I can figure out where it could be. Water. Somebody put extra stuff over there. Because that record player wasn't over there.
You doing that again?
So, Bobby Flay says put it in your hand. Put the seasoning on it. And put the seasoning side down. What Bobby Flay says. Seasoning side down. See? Stick it up in your hand. But he also said leave a clean hand to answer the phone. But I didn't.
No, Lord.
See, we tried. No reason why you be talking. Leaning over, no reason. Just leaning over. That means you don't do anything. That's why I said I already know how many I'm going to eat. So that will meet the cheese. Get the other one. You get an itty bitty one. Don't scoot around in it. Don't tear it up. Like that.
You sure it's not underneath the cabinet?
I guess you might throw it away. I got eyes. I got eyes.
I ain't.
I mean, it's not thrown away. I don't see it. Take it chopped up. You got these in it. Not for me. Chopped up again. Nope. Nope. Gotta give me the little boy. You ain't just sit there and not get it. Not look for it.